Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Ku and Miss Su, chapter 99. So here it is. Let's read the story. Oh, then go ahead. Right now, Miss Su was stunned. Xiao Jing, she really acts. She really feels lonely. Xiao Shu will go out. She will find Gillian. Well, she really looks jealous. If you push me towards another girl in the middle of the night, you really don't like me. Oh, right now, did she really want to try to trick her again? Xiao Su? Xiao Jing said to her, originally, she looks really angry. I was forced to go to Langshan. In fact, the person I like the most is Mr. Tang. It's not like you don't know. Oh, did she really want to get jealous? Miss Su, right now, she became muted. Well, of course, Xiaojing is getting jealous about Gillian. Now, Xiaojing said to her, in first place, she really liked Mr. Tang Yu. Going to see Gillian. Right now, Xiao Su, she looks moved. Now, she's trying to go around. She turned back. Xiaojing was looking at her. It's like she's going to stop her. But she kept herself restrained. Right now, Xiaojing. On her mind, she was talking too much. Well, probably really want to stop her, but she was really shy to express herself to Xiaosu. Right now, Xiaosu, Xiaojing said to her, stop, stop. Now she suddenly stopped. Well, what about Xiaojing? Suddenly she changed her mind and asked her, who asked you to find her? Oh, right now, it's really indication. Xiaojing, she really gets jealous. But suddenly, looking at her, Xiaoshu still continued to walk. Right now, looking at it, it's been ignored. Well, she really took a chance, and she really grabbed her hands. Hold up, Xiaojing said to Xiaoshu. Right now, Xiaoshu said to her, so coaxing, you, oh, this girl, she was really a fox. She know that Xiaojing stopped her, that's why she was teasing her right now. Well, what a cruel Miss Su. You can go find her, but you must take me with you. Oh, a girlfriend. Now, Xiaojing, she become really possessive over her. She also said to her, why, you don't like me, so what are you afraid of? Now, she's been teased back. Xiaosu, she was really cute, even though she know. Xiaojing tried to tease her, but it came back to herself. Now, she's being teased back. Oh, she feel really awkward. She was holding her hands. Xiaojing said to Xiaosu, anyway, I won't let you go alone. Right now, she's holding her tight her hand. What a cute possessive girlfriend she is. Dad, do you like Mr. Tang Yu? Now, looking at Xiaosu, she was smiling like a sly. Xiaojing said to her, of course not. It's been firm right now. Since I am with you, I will treat you wholeheartedly. Oh, this is the right answer. Then, why do you want to be with me? Are you really forced to go to Langshan? Xiaojing said to her, I have no idea, but looking at the two of them, they're really good at teasing each other. Right now, lower your eyes. Xiaojing, she kept herself intact, but Xiaosu said to her, you're silly, it's hard to be obedient. Well, Xiaojing, she was really cute when she get teased by Xiaosu. Look at her, she's turning red. She was really shy on Miss Su. Xiaojing, with her face turning red, said to Xiaosu, I like you. Now, she really can't speak it. She was really shy on Xiaosu. But, this life fox, Xiaosu, right now, she break away her hands, giving away Xiaojing. Looking at her, she looks really entranced. Xiaojing really get tricked by Miss Su. Said to her right now, what are you doing? Well, Miss Su, she always trick her. Especially she know Xiaojing, she was really cute and she get teased by her. Also said, I'm sending a message. That's why she always provoking her. Right now, looking at it. Xiaojing, what? Suddenly, Xiaosu, she kissed her. She really can't help it. But right now, Xiaosu, to trick her again. Xiaojing is so cute. Well, what can she do? She had a wife like her. Always trick her. Instead of getting mad, Xiaojing, she was really blushing on. She was really laughing on her possessive GF right now. I originally planned to send a message to Lang Yuyu in case she see you and me together later. She will think too much. Why? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Of course, she didn't tell her because she wanted to know how Xiaojing will react. Right now, Xiaojing seems to be satisfied with the answer of Miss Su. Well, she really looking forward to it. Miss Su, she is really great. I always consider Xiaojing's mind. I want to see how you care about me. Xiaojing said to her. She's trying to make it sure, right? Looking at her, she really wants to deny it. I have no idea. Xiao Yi. Well, they both really cute. Especially right now, trying to coax each other. That's why I always want to make sure whether you care about me or not. Oh, this is really sweet, right? Kiss and bite. Now, Xiaojing, seems that it's a little bit crazy. The action of Shu Hishi is really crazy over her. Xiaojing said to her, well, she really is. I have a popular girlfriend. Also, she is really beautiful. Has so many talents. Xiaojing, she suddenly paused. She is thinking something against her. How to coax this life facts. Right now, Kier, she is murmuring. That's why. But she didn't know. We'll always treat her like this. Okay, let's change clothes. Let's go together and give Gillian company. She looks really happy. Also, her. The two of them are really compatible. Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!